Is the power button on your Oppo Reno 6 broken or not responding? Don't worry, you can still switch off your phone without replacing the button dot in this video. I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to turn off your Oppo Reno 6 without using the power button. The steps are simple, require no extra apps, and only take a minute to complete. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also show you an alternative method in case the first option isn't available on your phone. Depending on your ColorOS version, the settings may look a little different, but I'll guide you through everything step by step. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Oppo tips, hidden features, and easy Android tutorials. Let's get started.